at White Rock Lake. In the quiet rhythm of early winter, our story begins again. This pair of bald eagles, known to many as Nick and Nora, have called this place home for years. But nature doesn't remember the past. In 2025, a powerful storm swept through the lake, tearing apart the nest they had built together. What once stood strong was gone overnight. Yet for bald eagles, lose is not the end. It's a beginning, day after day. Starting in November, this pair of bald eagles began again. Same lake, same bond, a brand new nest from nothing. They don't build randomly. Height, visibility, safety, every detail matters for the survival of future chicks. After countless circles, they make their choice. It began with a single branch. Simple, but everything depends on it. The male brings, the female decides. Sometimes it's not good enough. A branch is removed, dropped, replaced. Their tools are simple, a beak, and a powerful talons. But getting a branch is a battle. When the bald eagle finds the right one, it tries to snap it with its beak. If that fails, it grips with talons, using its weight to pry it loose. Still not enough, it uses speed, a sudden strike, a burst of force, the branch breaks. Sometimes it even hangs upside down, using its entire body to fight the wood. All that effort for a single branch. Branch by branch, layer by layer, what looks messy is actually precise engineering. Each piece supports another. This is not just a nest. It's a fortress. But building a home is never perfect. Where should each branch go? A wrong angle weakens everything. Sometimes they disagree. A branch just placed gets pushed away. Adjust, rebuild, like two stubborn architects. But most of the time, they move as one. One carries, one builds, back and forth, day after day. No blueprint, no words, just instinct, experience, and trust. Once the structure stands strong, they soften the center. Grass, fine twigs, even feathers. This is where life will begin. But they never stop building because they know the next storm can come at any time. nest is more than branches. Its strength, its intelligence, its persistence, and partnership. Now the bond deepens. They mate, beginning the next chapter of life. Soon, this nest will hold new beginning. In the wild, nothing is guaranteed, but here, above White Rock Lake, hope takes shape once again. And somewhere inside, a heartbeat is coming. Don't miss the next chapter when their young eaglets are born.